Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready now? Unlock the iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner to bring up Control Center. Once visible, find the brightness slider, the vertical bar with a sun icon, and drag it up or down to change intensity. You'll feel immediate difference: brighter for outdoor visibility, lower to save battery and reduce eye strain. Make sure to pause at increments and observe the screen. Small changes matter. If you prefer keyboard-like precision, use short, deliberate swipes rather than long, fast flicks. Once done with the Control Center check, open Settings and tap Display and Brightness to access the detailed controls. Here you can enable auto brightness so ambient light automatically adjusts your screen, and turn on True Tone to match color temperature to room lighting. Night Shift reduces blue light in evenings. If you need less glare, enable Reduce White Point. Make sure to test each toggle one at a time so you understand the visual effect, and then fine-tune the main brightness slider to lock in the look you want. Finish by testing the brightness in different situations: an outdoor scene, a dim room, and within apps to ensure contrast and legibility. Make sure low power mode is off if you need maximum brightness, because it limits peak levels. Conversely, use it to conserve battery. If settings behave oddly, for example the slider is missing or auto brightness won't toggle, restart the iPhone, update iOS, and if necessary reset all settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.